No one would have believed, in the last years of the 19th century, that human affairs were being watched from the timeless worlds of space. No one could have dreamed we were being scrutinized as someone with a microscope studies creatures that swarm and multiply in a drop of water. Few men even consider the possibility of life on other planets. And yet, across the gulf of space, minds immeasurably superior to ours regarded this Earth with envious eyes. And slowly and surely, they drew their plans against us.
Out here. Are you on this plane? Are you a passenger?
How you doing? Wanna help me open that?
Are you a passenger?
He's dead. The shell went off right beside him. Camera on his shoulder saved his life. You hear that, Max? Your stupid camera saved his stupid life.
Where were you?
Out there in the Pine Barrens. We were attached to a National Guard unit, the 83rd Mechanized. They moved on one of those things around midnight. They've got some kind of shield around them. You can't see, but everything we fire at them detonates too early before we can get close enough to cause any damage. When they flash that thing, everything lights up like Hiroshima.
There's more than one.
You gotta be kidding me, right? We were feeding New York, but New York went dark. So we patched over to D.C., they went down. LA, Chicago, uplink to London. Even called affiliates to try to get them to catch the feed, but nobody answers. It's the same everywhere. Once the tripods start to move, no more news comes out of that area.
My God.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
I saw that storm. I was right in the middle of one of those.
Oh, you didn't see it like this. Those machines come up from under the ground, right? So that means they must have been buried here a long time ago. So who's driving the goddamn things? Watch the lightning. Watch it. Watch the lightning. Keep watching the lightning.
What is that?
That is them. They come down in capsules, riding the lightning into the ground, into the machines, right?
You hear that? We're getting the hell out of here.
Hey, were you on that plane? That's too bad. It would have been a really great story.
You hear that? We're getting the hell out of here.
His them. They come down in capsules, riding the lightning into the ground into the machines, right?